Hello everyone, my name is Utsav Singh and I have participated in 3 days training of Web Builder-thon, which was powered by GoDaddy and Smart Intern. After completing the training, we have to work on 2 sets of project. First is to complete 2 courses on GoDaddy Academy, which was provided for free. And second is we have to build a website by choosing the web domain. Here are the web domains. I have chosen corporate and business domain. For building a website on WordPress by using WordPress, firstly we have to download WordPress or Gem server, or your easy way we have you can use Bitnami and work on the web page locally. After hosting our web page on GoDaddy, we can migrate our web page local to live server by using WP Migration all-in-one plugin. This is the plugin all-in-one WP Migration, and this is the option in the dashboard Elementor, which is a web page builder, and this is WP form for making forms, and this is the plugin where we install the essential plugins, and below is the settings and other. By using WP Migration all-in-one plugin, we can migrate our local website to live server. I have made my web page using Elementor, and basically my web page is one page website. Here's my website. So this is the logo, and this is the menu, and this is the section, and this is the footer. And I have also added a navigation in the menu, or which will navigate through the section by using anchor tag in Elementor. Like this is our service section, about us, pricing, testimonials, team, and contact. This contact form is made using WP form. So lastly, I want to say I have completed both stages of my project, and this is the end of the video. Thank you.